What can you do to prevent issues when you hit that button to start streaming? Let's talk about that. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your stream technician. Real quick, if you're new around here and are into tech, PC hardware, stream tips, and tutorials, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific, so feel free to stop by, drop a follow, and let's talk tech. When it comes to streaming, nothing is more frustrating than when your stream starts to act up for any reason. Frames start getting dropped, your viewers start saying it's lagging, that little box in the corner of OBS turns red, and eventually you have to kill the stream to track down and fix whatever issue you're having.
So be it!
So let's go over some things to do before you go live. Title card, internet connection. Okay, so you're on your computer and everything looks fine. You're online and speed test shows your correct result for your internet plan. Stop right there. Sites like speed test do not show the whole story. Sometimes internet connections can choke under a prolonged load, such as streaming.
That's what she said!
Even if they pass a speed test just fine. This means there is a possibility that you go live, your upload speed is good for a while, and then it tanks and you start dropping frames due to network lag like crazy, causing a very choppy and laggy stream. You have to go offline to fix this because the first step here is to unplug your modem from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This is what I call a hard power cycle, and if you want to be extra sure your streams go off without a hitch, I would do this at least once a week. If you found yourself needing to do this before every stream, you'll need to call your internet service provider to replace the modem and inspect the internet signal from the street level to make sure there are no issues. You'll have to insist for them to do it, so don't be afraid. I've had to do this before and they said everything was good, but my stream said otherwise. Turned out a street level repair crew had to be sent out to actually fix the issue. Who'd have thought? Now what? Instead of running some rinky-dink speed test, you'll want to track down a large file, like a video or something. Preferably a single file in the 500 megabyte to 1 gigabyte range. Open up your YouTube account, Dropbox, Google Drive, or any other service you can upload this file to, and drop it in to begin the upload. This will simulate maxing out your internet upload with a constant load to see if it falters. Now open your task manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. Click the Performance tab, then click your Ethernet connection listed on the left. You will see Send and Receive in there. And you want to be watching Send. It should be going at or near the max upload speed of your internet connection, and it should not be wildly swinging up and down. Watch it for a few minutes and see if it stays solid and consistent. And if it does, you're good. And then you can go ahead and cancel that upload. It's never a bad idea to run through your scenes and sources in OBS Studio to make sure your cameras are being captured correctly, your alerts are working, and your bitrate and resolution are set correctly. If you did some different kind of recording or streaming and did a previous stream at, let's say, 30 FPS, when you should be streaming at 60 FPS, for example, that's something you have to check beforehand because otherwise you'll have to stop your stream to fix that. That's no good. Be sure to check this sort of stuff before going live and you'll have a better time. These are the things that I always tell people to check, but maybe you have some suggestions. Drop a comment down below. What is part of your pre-stream ritual to ensure things go as smoothly as possible? I'd love to hear what other people out there do and maybe see if it can be helpful as well. Let's talk about this live too. I stream to Twitch every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew, and we can always talk more there. Hopefully you found this video informative, useful, or otherwise entertaining. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. The beach, the other videos are that way. You want to click one of those and I'll see you in the comment section. Yeah. What am I doing? Have you clicked one of these yet? That way.
Blow your back out.